Thanks a million for coming out today. Just want to reiterate what the Minister said and what Frank said. I suppose we're all teachers and we know how precious Saturday is, and particularly I think a Saturday in September is extremely precious, because I don't think there's anything as draining as the first week in September. It's very, very tiring. So thanks a million to all of you for being here. We hope to make it as painless as possible. And really what we want to do is make it interesting for you, so that you're going to go away with the pack. So you're going to have that as a resource in your classroom. So because for us today, really what it's about is trying to explain the methodology behind it, and then to do some of the activities. But it's just a case of illuminating those activities, or just to show them to you. But there'll be lots more in the pack or in the programme that you get. Is that all right? Also, to try to keep you more interested, the three of us will present every now and then, so that you don't get too bored with one or other of us. Is that all right? So my name is Mia, this is Kira, and this is MJ over here as well. And so that you, hopefully, we'll do it seamlessly enough. We'll be hopping in and out. Is that all right? Okay. If it's all right with you, lunch is at 12:30. Okay. I know Frank said to finish at 4. That's based on a half-an-hour lunch. So if you want to take a longer lunch, that's absolutely fine, and we can finish at 4:30. Yeah? Okay, lovely stuff. So we'll go, we'll have lunch at 12:30, and I'll get Kira in a minute to pass around the menu, because they said if we have the menu ready, obviously it'll be speeded up. Now, what we'll also do, because you'll have had a very long morning and it'll be a long afternoon, so we'll break just for 15 minutes, about 2:45 until 3, because just that last hour can be very tiring, because you're used to finish at 3 o'clock. So we'll do that. So we'll pass the menu round, and we'll get that started anyway. Girls, are you okay to see the screen there? Look, I'll just pull that out your way. It might be a little bit better for you. You're granted the groups at the moment in groups of 3. When MJ's doing some activities later, we might ask the two of you to just join the other groups, make 2 groups of 4, because it's just easier than doing it on your own, okay? Make sure to stop, and I'm very familiar with this programme now, so if you have any questions or anything, be sure to holler at me. I won't be offended. Is that all right? So, generally that's just what I was talking about. Now, you'll see there from the timetable, the instructional framework, real fancy words. What is it? It's a way of teaching maths. That's all it is, a methodology. That's exactly what it is. So we're going to spend a good lot of time at looking at that, because that's the important part. If we can nail that, then everything else in the programme becomes a lot easier, because it's just literally a matter of this is the way that you teach it. Another thing I want to say is, and Emer alluded to it there,